Hi, my name is Alexander. I am a software developer at Apriorit and I've been working with low-level programming for over 5 years now. I have always loved programming. I come across my first programming language at the age of 6. When I was at school, I additionally started learning C++. Strongly typed programming gives you control over your program and I liked it. Since then, I have been a fan of low-level programming. Years later, when I decided to become a programmer, I already knew that I would work with C++. Low-level languages provide little or no abstraction for programming concepts to improve performance and efficiency. High-level languages provide many abstractions to improve readability and implementation speed. For example, you can create a web service in a high-level language in an hour, but in a low-level language it will take days or even longer. But if you write a program for processing a physical model of something, then your program in a low-level language will be faster than a high-level one by hundreds of times. You can get the same result in a high-level language. Both of these parameters, speed of implementation and efficiency of application, depends on the skills of programming. So it forces you to improve your skill and knowledge every day. A classic example of low-level language is assembler. This language gives you full control over execution of the code, because you write every instruction for processor. But such programs are hard to read and implementation takes a very long time. In general, according to common indicators, C++ is mid-level programming language, but this language gives you possibilities for maximum performance of your program. There aren't any unnecessary abstraction and it's very efficient in performing hard processing tasks. C++ also allows low-level manipulation, such as a memory control. For this reason, C++ is considered a low-level language, and it's a very good compromise for developing efficient and easily supported programs. And because of this, a huge number of applications have been written and are being written in it. In fact, it is one of the most popular languages in the world nowadays. Besides the reasons I've already mentioned, C++ gives a good basis for further study of other languages. This means that it's easy to learn in new languages if you already know C++. Furthermore, low-level programming gives you deep understanding of how things work. It's considered complex, but it gives you maximum control and the ability to accurately set up your programs. It's always a challenge and it's a real skill. And then another advantage is that such specialists are needed and always in demand. Yes, my work is linked with data analysis of devices and cloud storages. And sometimes when I need to create a little program quickly and efficiency is not important, such as an HTTP server for testing or proof of conception of new functionality, it is convenient to use high-level languages. I usually use Python as a universal tool in this case, but Python can't replace low-level programming, and the final implementation is always in C++. So if you're looking for something special to do in your work, I recommend that you pay attention to C++ and low-level programming.